Today, we're going to show you how to pair your inReach Mini 3 Series handheld with the Garmin Explore app. We will be using an inReach Mini 3 Plus satellite communicator and an Apple iPhone, but the process is the same with the inReach Mini 3 and Android smartphones. Pairing your inReach Mini 3 Series device with the Garmin Explore app will allow your data to sync between your device, the Explore app, and the Explore website. Please see our other videos about using the available maps and creating your next adventure with the Garmin Explore app for more information. You will need to download the Garmin Explore app on your compatible smartphone from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app once it's installed. Then allow the Garmin Explore app the ability to find nearby Bluetooth devices. A short tutorial will be shown. When ready, select Get Started. Next, you can sign in or create an account. In this video, we have activated our inReach Mini 3 Plus on the Iridium network and will sign into our existing inReach account. See our activation video for help activating your inReach Mini 3 Series device. Now, select Sign In. Then review the End User License Agreement. Select Next. Now, enter your account credentials and select Next. Then allow the Garmin Explore app to send you notifications. The Garmin Explore app would like access to your smartphone's location. Select Allow while using app. Select Enable Cloud Storage if you would like your data to sync to your online account. Selecting Not Now will not back up your data to your account. Review the features preview, then select Done. Now select the Devices tab at the bottom. Your inReach Mini 3 Plus will appear here. Select it to use the available features. To learn more about the Garmin Explore app, please see our other videos on using the available maps and creating your next adventure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.